1. Baked lemon garlic salmon. Ingredients: 4 salmon fillets, salt and pepper, 4 cloves of garlic minced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 lemon sliced, 4 sprigs of fresh rosemary, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of white wine optional. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 375 F190 C. 2. Season the salmon fillets with salt and pepper on both sides. 3. In a small bowl, mix together the minced garlic, olive oil, and lemon juice. 4. Place each salmon fillet on a piece of aluminum foil. 5. Drizzle the garlic and lemon mixture over the salmon fillets. 6. Top each fillet with a slice of lemon and a sprig of rosemary. 7. Place a tablespoon of butter on top of each fillet. 8. If desired, pour 1/4 cup of white wine over the fillets. 9. Fold the aluminum foil over the salmon, sealing it tightly. 10. Place the foil packets on a baking sheet and bake for 15–20 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. 11. Serve with your choice of side dishes and enjoy. 2. Chicken Alfredo pasta. Ingredients: 1 pound of fettuccine pasta, 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, cut into cubes, salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, fresh parsley, chopped for garnish. Instructions: 1. Cook the fettuccine pasta according to package instructions. Drain and set aside. 2. Season the chicken cubes with salt and pepper. 3. In a large skillet, melt the butter over medium heat. 4. Add the chicken cubes and cook until golden brown and cook through. 5. Remove the chicken from the skillet and set aside. 6. In the same skillet, add the minced garlic and cook for 1–2 minutes until fragrant. 7. Pour in the heavy cream and bring it to a simmer. 8. Add the grated Parmesan cheese and stir until it is fully melted and incorporated. 9. Add the cooked chicken and pasta to the skillet and toss to coat everything in the Alfredo sauce. 10. Serve hot, garnish with chopped parsley. 3. Beef stir fry. Ingredients: 1 pound of beef, sliced into thin strips, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, salt and pepper, 1 onion sliced, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 cup of broccoli florets, 1 red bell pepper sliced, 1 cup of sliced mushrooms, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Cooked rice for serving. Instructions: 1. In a large skillet or wok, heat the vegetable oil over high heat. 2. Season the beef strips with salt and pepper and add them to the skillet. 3. Cook the beef for 2–3 minutes until browned. 4. Remove the beef from the skillet and set aside. 5. In the same skillet, add the sliced onion and minced garlic. 6. Cook for 1–2 minutes until softened. 7. Add the broccoli, red bell pepper, and mushrooms to the skillet and cook for 3–4 minutes until tender. 8. In a small bowl, mix together the soy sauce, honey, and cornstarch. 9. Pour the mixture into the skillet and stir to coat the vegetables. 10. Add the cooked beef back to the skillet and cook.